Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: sharing the love and the load, how load balancers keep things smooth. Hey Network Academy Fun fam! Imagine your favorite online store, game, or streaming service. Now imagine everyone trying to use it at the exact same moment. What happens? Crash. Collision suddenly. It's slower than a snail on a lazy Sunday. Or worse, totally offline. Nobody wants that, right? It's like having one tiny cashier at the busiest supermarket on earth. Chaos. That's where our superstar for today comes in. The load balancer. Think of it as the ultimate traffic cop for your servers. Instead of letting all that digital traffic pile up at one server's doorstep, the load balancer intelligently directs it to multiple servers, making sure no single server gets overwhelmed. It's all about sharing the love and the load. It's not just randomly tossing requests around. Oh no, load balancers are super smart. They constantly monitor the health of all the servers behind them, checking who's busy, who's got capacity, and who might be taking a nap. Figuratively, of course. Then, using clever algorithms, like round robin sending requests one by one to each server, or least connection, sending it to the server with the fewest active connections. They route your request to the best available server. It's like a restaurant host knowing exactly which table is open. Let's make this super clear with an analogy. Imagine you're throwing an epic pizza party, and you've got dozens of hungry friends showing up, all demanding pizza right now. If you only had one oven, it would be a disaster. But what if you had 5 ovens? And a super efficient kitchen manager, our load balancer, who takes every order and sends it to the oven that's least busy or just finished baking. Everyone gets their pizza hot and fast, and no single oven gets burnt out. Delicious efficiency. Load balancers aren't just cool, they're essential. They bring some serious superpowers to the table. 1. Reliability. No more crashes. If one server decides to take an unscheduled coffee break, or worse, crashes, the load balancer just stops sending traffic there and redirects it to the healthy ones. Boom! No downtime for you. 2. Performance. Zoom. By spreading the work, every request gets processed faster. Happy users. Happy apps. 3. Scalability. Grow big or go home. Need to handle way more traffic? Just add another server to your farm, tell the load balancer, and it'll seamlessly start using it. You can grow your infrastructure without anyone noticing. Just like pizza, load balancers come in different flavors. You've got hardware load balancers, physical boxes, and software load balancers, running on virtual machines or containers. They can also work at different layers of the network. Some are simple traffic directors. Layer 4. Thinking IP addresses and ports. While others are super smart and can even read what's inside your web request. Layer 7. Looking at URLs, cookies, etc. Don't worry about the deep dive now. Just know they're versatile. So, why am I so jazzed about these unsung heroes? Because for my journey to become a data center engineer, understanding load balancers is absolutely crucial. Modern data centers are all about resilience, speed, and handling massive amounts of traffic for the cloud, massive websites, and all the cool tech we use daily. Knowing how to design, implement, and troubleshoot load balancing solutions is a golden ticket to keeping the digital world running smoothly. It's foundational stuff. And there you have it. Load balancers are those quiet, intelligent orchestrators behind the scenes, making sure our online experiences are fast, reliable, and always available. They truly share the love and the load across our server infrastructure. What's asterisk your favorite analogy for a load balancer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Network Academy fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.